Hearing a loud thud or jarring vibration after turning off a faucet is a common household occurrence. This phenomenon is often the result of sudden pressure changes within the plumbing system, signaling that the pipes are under mechanical stress. This specific noise is frequently caused by a water hammer. It occurs when a flow of water is forced to stop or change direction abruptly, creating a shock wave that travels through the pipes and causes them to strike against the wooden framing of the house. High water pressure is another major factor. While strong pressure feels convenient in the shower, if the main pressure is set too high, it causes water to move too forcefully through the lines, resulting in constant rattling and whistling sounds. Air trapped within the plumbing lines can cause a symphony of strange noises. When air pockets get stuck in the high points of the pipes, they create uneven flow, leading to distinct bubbling or sputtering sounds when the water is turned on. Plumbing lines are usually secured with straps to the wooden studs inside the walls. Over years of use, these fasteners can loosen or fail, allowing the pipes to vibrate and bang against the structure every time the water is activated. If the sounds resemble clicking or ticking, the cause may be thermal expansion. As hot water flows through the lines, the material expands and rubs against the building's joists. The noise persists until the pipe cools down and contracts. In older water heaters, mineral sediment often settles at the bottom of the tank. When the burner ignites, steam bubbles struggle to rise through this layer of debris, creating a distinct popping or rumbling sound within the appliance. While these noises might seem like a minor annoyance, they often indicate underlying issues. Persistent vibrations and shock waves can eventually weaken pipe joints and seals, leading to pinhole leaks or sudden pipe failures. Identifying the specific sound is the first step toward a solution. Whistling generally indicates a pressure-related issue, while loud banging is almost always a sign of physical movement or the water hammer effect. Installing water hammer arrestors or adjusting the home's pressure-reducing valve can often resolve these noises immediately. These small adjustments protect the entire plumbing infrastructure from long-term damage and fatigue. If your home is suffering from noisy or vibrating pipes, Black Mountain Plumbing provides expert diagnostics and solutions. From leak detection to pressure regulation, the team ensures the plumbing system in your San Diego home remains quiet and reliable.